Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUSRE neural. Prosody rate equals -9%, pitch equals +0 Hz. Okay, so I wasn't even planning emphasis level equals moderate to /emphasis post this. So I tried this best V5.4 PCB for a bit and hey race what I noticed. Honestly, it doesn't feel cheap at all. After testing it for a bit, it's one of those things you end up using often. It feels fair for what you get. Break time equals 180 ms /honestly. Break time equals 180 ms /honestly. Links there if you're curious. /prosody /voice /speak